Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles in Shotcut Video Editor. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Shotcut and you need to click the right mouse cursor, click on track options and you need to add video track. So here you can see that V2 and V1. So once you've done that, then you need to click on open others. Here you need to click on text and make sure you select transparent and click on OK. So here you can see that subtitles are now added. So you simply need to change that from here, any text that you want to change, and you simply need to uncheck this box so that it will look good. And if you want, you can select the text and you can make any change in the text here, and you can drag or move this as well. So it is up to you that if you want, you can move that, and you need to add this onto the timeline here, that is override, move here, and if you want you can make it to the clip. Okay, and if you want to change text, so you can done that as well by coming in this box and you can change the text as well. So it is up to you. If you want, you can change the text as well. So this is the process how you can add subtitles in Shotcut Video Editor. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.